If you're looking for a kitchen essential that effortlessly combines durability, performance, and sleek design, this MsMk 7-inch small frying pan is the ultimate solution. This non-toxic, PFOA-free skillet is a game-changer for anyone who loves cooking, whether you're flipping an omelet, sautéing veggies, or making a quick egg breakfast. Let's dive deep into why this frying pan deserves a place in your kitchen. Why you need the MsMk 7-inch frying pan? This frying pan is more than a kitchen tool. It's a solution to common cooking frustrations. No more uneven heating, sticky surfaces, or messy cleanups. With its durable construction, chemical-free coating, and sleek design, the MsMk frying pan is a must-have for every home cook. Why the MsMk frying pan stands out? 1. Pro-grade non-stick coating. The MsMk frying pan features a triple-layered non-stick coating reinforced with a titanium ceramic diamond compound. What does that mean for you? It means effortless cooking and even easier cleaning. No more scrubbing away at stubborn food residue. This non-stick surface is perfect for delicate dishes like eggs and crepes, ensuring they slide right off without breaking. Additionally, the coating is PFOA-free, PTFE-free, and free from other harmful chemicals, so you can cook with peace of mind. It's even GRETUV approved, proving its safety and durability. 2. Professional heat distribution. Tired of hot spots ruining your food? The 4mm thick stainless steel bottom of the MsMk frying pan ensures even heat distribution, regardless of the type of cooktop you use: induction, ceramic, gas, or electric. Whether you're browning butter for a sauce or preparing a golden omelet, this pan guarantees consistent cooking. Its thick mouth and thinner body design further enhance even heating, allowing you to achieve restaurant-quality results at home. Low-fat, smoke-free cooking. For health-conscious cooks, the MsMk pan is a dream. Its premium non-stick surface allows you to cook with little to no oil, reducing fat content while maintaining flavor. Plus, it eliminates smoke buildup, giving you a cleaner and healthier cooking experience. Features that make cooking effortless. Stay cool steel handle. The Y-shaped handle is designed to stay cool, ensuring safe handling even when cooking over high heat. The sealed design prevents liquid buildup, making cleanup easy, and its ergonomic shape offers a comfortable grip for precision cooking. Oven-safe versatility. The MsMk frying pan is oven-safe up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're searing on the stovetop or finishing a dish in the oven, this pan handles it all. You no longer have to transfer food to a different dish, saving time and preserving flavor. When you invest in the MsMk frying pan, you're investing in quality. Designed in the USA with imported components, this skillet is built to withstand daily use. The lifetime warranty reflects the company's confidence in its product, offering you complete peace of mind. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, the MsMk 7-inch frying pan is an ideal tool to elevate your cooking experience. Its versatility, ease of use, and stylish design make it a fantastic gift for loved ones. Imagine the joy on their faces as they unwrap a high-quality pan that simplifies their cooking routine. Conclusion: this MsMk 7-inch small frying pan is more than just a kitchen tool, it's a transformative cooking experience. Its exceptional non-stick coating, even heat distribution, and thoughtful design make it an invaluable addition to any cookware collection. Whether you're a beginner or a professional chef, this pan is versatile enough to handle your everyday needs, from frying eggs to preparing gourmet dishes. With its durable construction, PFOA-free materials, and lifetime warranty, the MsMk frying pan offers unmatched value and peace of mind. Plus, its compatibility with all cooktops and oven-safe functionality ensure it adapts seamlessly to your cooking style. If you're ready to elevate your culinary skills and simplify your kitchen routine, the MsMk frying pan is the perfect choice. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and take the first step toward effortless, professional quality cooking. Don't miss out on this must-have kitchen upgrade. If you're looking to simplify your cooking routine while achieving professional quality results, this pan is for you. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.